Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite brands that I believe are going to be great gift ideas for women, and also some great companies that are going to be having some really cool Black Friday deals as well. So for my first pick is this company called Nueboo, and they came out with a boob tape that is sweat proof and it holds. So if you are a woman that struggles with strapless bras and you just want a support and a tape that actually works, this one does. So I'm gonna run you guys a little clip on this company that I really like. They do have a special they're going to have for Black Friday. So let's listen a little bit more, and they are sponsoring this video.
Hey guys, it's that time of the year we have all been waiting for. This Black Friday Cyber Monday is going to be crazy with all the best deals and the biggest discounts you won't find any other time of the year. Confidence is sexy. So if you've been wanting to try out boob tape, need a self-esteem boost, or have to refill your supplies for any of the Nueboo products, the time is now. From November 19th to December 1st, Nueboo will be doing a super special buy one and get one free and free gift sale. Here's how it works. For all single products, you can buy one and get one free. That means if you buy one boob tape, one boob mask, or one chest pad, you're going to get a second one absolutely free. All you have to do is add to cart and you'll see the free one pop up automatically. And you'll see the checkout process at the end of this video, so keep watching. This BOGO offer applies to all of their single items only, but they're also giving away free products when you buy any of their heavily discounted twin packs and bundles as well. So if you buy a full experience bundle or a beautiful boobs bundle, then you're going to get a free product of your choice during the checkout. This 1 year offer will be hitting the Nueboo online store from the 19th of November and run all the way until the first day of December. But a word to the wise, do not delay. If you need anything or want to try anything, go get it as soon as you can, because everyone's going to be buying and choosing and swiping all the best stuff first. So go get your some Nueboo while stocks last, and I'll see you guys there. Make sure to use my promo code ISA10 to get an additional 10% discount during checkout. Also, I'll make sure to link all the information down below in the description box. So let's go shopping, guys.
So for my second pick is this company that is called Lashify, and they built a system that you can do your lashes at home. So it's a DIY lash system, and it's the best, guys. I know that there's other systems out in the market, but I honestly I bought the system, I want to say about a year ago, and I love it. The lashes, they will normally last for me 2 weeks, and you can mix and match sizes, styles, and the adhesives are flexible, so it doesn't ruin your lashes. So this is a really great gift if you know anyone that loves lashes. This is a amazing gift. I'm gonna make sure to link down everything down below in this video with promo codes as well, so you guys can take advantage. um and save some extra money, but also keep checking to see if they're gonna have some Black Friday deals for Lashify. I'm not sure. I haven't received any emails as far as Black Friday deals. They don't have a lot of sales sometimes, but they do have some promo codes also on their Instagram you guys can check out. But this system is amazing. I love it. I definitely recommend it to any girl that loves lashes and that loves to do their own lashes at home. This system is great. I cannot stress that enough. The next company is this company that is called Dossier, and they have fragrances that are inspired by high-end designers. So you can get a high-end designed fragrance from Dossier, but at the fraction of the cost, because they are inspired fragrances. So like Gucci, Prada, Chanel fragrances that are similar, that you can actually get for some I believe are like $29 to, let's see, let's go on their website right now. As far as, they may have a Black Friday deal, but I'm not sure. They are having a Black Friday sale, which you get 3 fragrances for $69. So that's pretty cool. And they have like the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, that one right now, if you can get it for $17.40. So this is great if you know anyone that loves, you know, high-end fragrances, but you don't want to spend that much. You guys can go to Dossier and pick one of those fragrances that are inspired by their favorite brand, and boom, there you have it. A really nice gift. Like I said, Dossier is having a sale, so I'll make sure to link down their information so you guys can check that out. The next company that I'm going to share with you guys that I think has really great, it's a really beautiful gift idea for the holidays, and they should be having some really cool deals for Black Friday, is Shein. So I love Shein. You guys know that. You guys can see the videos that I have reviewing Shein. Right now I'm really crazy about these boots, and because they're so comfy, and they're like just so cool. I've been wanting to get some knee-high boots, so these are like a really good holiday gift, especially because, you know, it's getting cold here in Cali. And then also their clothes, and I'll put some stuff here that you guys can see that I really like. They do have a Black Friday deal going on. I'll make sure to also link their stuff below, but Shein is always a good website that you guys can buy clothes and shoes for a you know, affordable cost, and they're good you know, quality clothes for women, and also shoes. So I do definitely recommend Shein if you guys are shopping for your loved one. The next company that I really like, okay, and let's see, let me go on to see if they have anything right now as far as for Black Friday. And the company is Cupshe. You guys, I love Cupshe. Their quality is like so nice. I know that they're known mostly for their bikinis, but they do also have loungewear, and they have dresses. So their quality period is amazing, and they're very affordable as well. I have to say that if you guys want quality loungewear, definitely go to Cupshe. I'm like in love with their loungewear. I mean, with all of their items, but because their newest one is their athleisure, and I'm like so in love with it just because of the quality is amazing, guys. I cannot stress that enough. Their athleisure is really nice, really good quality. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, definitely go to Cupshe. They are having an early Black Friday deal. Let's see what they have right now, and I'm going to show it here as well. Let's see what they have. So they do have swimsuits on sale for $16, $13. They have sandals for $18, and again, their quality is really good, guys. Definitely recommend Cupshe. So I'm only seeing mostly bikinis and sandals. They don't have their athleisure on sale, but it's definitely worth it. I'm definitely gonna add my promo code down there if you guys want to take advantage of that too. So now let's see. Definitely look at their website. And then the last company that I do definitely recommend, they are on Amazon, and they are called Ekouae. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's the Amazon fashion store. You can look at it right here. I'll make sure to link down the information as well for them. So with them, they have a lot of like night sets, not like PJs, like this satin pajama that you see here. This is the one that I'm wearing right now, and it's satin and it comes with the pants. I also have just the top that looks like a dress in satin. Guys, this is really nice. It's a really luxury gift that I think you guys can like give for the holidays. Like, I really like it. And they have like a bunch of colors. This one that I got, I think it's in the color blue green. It's such a beautiful color, and the quality is really nice. So definitely check them out if you guys are shopping for like PJs but want something more luxurious like this. Definitely recommend that, because it's just nice and silky and I love it. So it's a good gift. But I hope you guys liked my selections and my recommendations for the Black Friday company that you guys should check out, and also for holiday gift ideas for women. Let me know in the comments down below which one you like the most, which ones have you tried, and make sure to go down below to the description box to get all the promo codes and all the links to all of these companies. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.